Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of jump button on the application of Dropbox. We click on settings. Here, in this page we click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this page here you will search about Dropbox and you will click. In this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to storage. Then here you will click on clear cache. In the end you will turn off your phone and you will wait a moment to start your phone again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.